Welcome to the presentation. In this presentation, we are going to cover what is an agent, intelligent agent, rational agent, Ps, properties of task environment. Etc. An artificial intelligence-based agent is responsible for any work output obtained from the system. It is the main component that while dealing with artificial intelligence because it is the intelligent system which is needed to be developed. An AI system is composed of an agent and its environment. The agents act in their environment. The environment may contain other agents. The examples of an agent are: a human agent has sensory organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin parallel to the sensors, and other organs such as hands, legs, mouth, for effectors. A robotic agent replaces cameras and infrared rangefinders for the sensors, and various motors and actuators for effectors. A software agent has encoded bit strings as its programs and actions. An agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators, as shown in figure. This work is done through the two main components of an agent, sensors and actuators. So, an agent can be anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors, acting upon the environment through actuators. Percept means it is the agent's perceptual inputs at a given instance. The details that an agent gets from the environment is through these sensors. These sensors can provide information about various things such as about the temperature, weather conditions, traffic, noise, or anything. An agent must perform some specific functions or else it is useless. So, any task which a system performs is through its actuators. These can be internal processing chips whose working may be hidden from the user or can be visible moving actuators such as mechanical arms which may move back and forth. Let us take an example of a self-driving car. Here, the agent is our car and its environment is the road it is traveling on and the nearby cars and other things present on the road. So, the car can perceive its environment through traffic proximity sensors, motion sensors, location tracking systems, and other sensors. The actuators through which the car acts are the speed system through which it manages the speed of the car, gearbox, steering for handling directions, etc. In artificial intelligence, an intelligent agent refers to an autonomous entity that acts, directing its activity towards achieving goals. That is, it is an agent upon an environment using observation through sensors and consequent actuators. That is, it is intelligent. Intelligent agents may also learn or use knowledge to achieve their goals. They may be very simple or very complex. A reflex machine, such as a thermostat, is considered an example of an intelligent agent. Intelligent agents are often described schematically as an abstract functional system similar to a computer program. For this reason, intelligent agents are sometimes called abstract intelligent agents to distinguish them from their real-world implementations as computer systems, biological systems, or organizations. Intelligent agents are also closely related to software agents, an autonomous computer program that carries out tasks on behalf of users. In computer science, an intelligent agent is a software agent that has some intelligence. For example, autonomous programs used for operator assistance or data mining, sometimes referred to as bots. Consider the example of agent as an intelligent house. In the case of intelligent house, the percepts are signals from a temperature sensor, the movement sensor, clock, sound sensor. The actions need to perform are either room heaters on or off, lights on or off. The goals is any or all of these includes occupants warm, rooms light when occupied, house energy efficient. The environment in the case of an intelligent house is at various times, occupants enter and leave the house, enter and leave rooms, daily variation in outside light and temperature. So hope you understand what is an agent. Rationality is nothing but the status of being reasonable, sensible, and having a good sense of judgment. Rationality implies the conformity of one's beliefs with one's reasons to believe, or of one's actions with one's reasons for action. It is concerned with expected actions and results depending upon what the agent has perceived. Performing actions with the aim of obtaining useful information is an important part of rationality. Rationality is concerned with expected actions and results depending upon what the agent has perceived. Performing actions with the aim of obtaining useful information is an important part of rationality. An ideal rational agent is the one which is capable of doing expected actions to maximize its performance measure, on the basis of its percept sequence and its built-in knowledge base. A rational agent is an agent which has clear preferences and models uncertainty via expected values. A rational agent can be anything that makes decisions, typically a person, firm, machine, or software. A rational agent always performs the right action, where the right action means the action that causes the agent to be most successful in the given percept sequence. A rational agent is capable of taking the best possible action in any situation. The rationality of an agent depends on the following factors. 1. The performance measures, which determine the degree of success. 2. Agent's percept sequence till now. 3. The agent's prior knowledge about the environment. 4. The actions that the agent can carry out. A rational agent always performs the right action, where the right action means the action that causes the agent to be most successful in the given percept sequence. Consider an automated taxi driver example of rational action performed by any intelligent agent. Here the performance measures is safe, fast, legal, comfortable trip, maximize profits. The environment is roads, other traffic, customers. Actuators are the steering wheel, accelerator, brake, signal, horn. Sensors are cameras, sonar, speedometer, GPS, odometer, engine sensors, keyboard. Task environments are problems, while rational agents are the solutions. The piece description is used to specify the task environment. P stands for performance, environment, actuators, and sensors. Based on these properties of an agent, they can be grouped together or can be differentiated from each other. Each agent has these following properties defined for it. Performance means the output which we get from the agent. All the necessary results that an agent gives after processing comes under its performance. Environment means all the surrounding things and conditions of an agent fall in this section. It basically consists of all the things under which the agents work. Actuators mean the devices, hardware, or software through which the agent performs any actions or processes any information to produce a result are the actuators of the agent. Sensors mean the devices through which the agent observes and perceives its environment are the sensors of the agent.
Let us take an example of a medical diagnosis system. The performance factors for a medical diagnosis system will be a healthy patient, minimize costs, lawsuits, etc. The patient, hospital, staff, etc. all act as its environment. The screen display questions, tests, diagnoses, treatments, referrals, as actuators. The sensors as keyboard, entry of symptoms, findings, patient's answers. For a part-picking robot, the piece description of the task environment and characterize it in terms of the properties listed here.
For an interactive English tutor, the piece description of the task environment and characterize it in terms of the properties listed here.
For each of the following activities, the piece description of the task environment and characterize it in terms of the properties listed in the table. A. Playing soccer. B. Exploring the subsurface oceans of Titan. C. Shopping for used AI books on the internet. D. Playing a tennis match. E. Practicing tennis against a wall. F. Performing a high jump. G. Knitting a sweater. H. Bidding on an item at an auction.
Thank you, and have a nice day.